It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2019 GMC Yukon Denali. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Yukon. The driver's door has power door locks, power windows with auto express windows, power adjustable side mirrors. They're also power folding, the child lock buttons, and the programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, door storage with a cup holder, and you'll notice this Yukon comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel, we have the power tilt and telescopic steering wheel button, heads-up display and information tab, traction control, park assist, lane departure alert, power adjustable foot pedals, some lighting controls and dials down below, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, and the integrated trailer brake controller. All-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior, Denali embroidery in both headrests, and a power sunroof overhead. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and on the right side we have the audio controls and Bluetooth command. This is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, we have the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, power liftgate button where we're able to set the opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off, some interior light buttons, and a place to store your sunglasses. OnStar in the rear view mirror. Next is GMC's Infotainment Center. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and this screen doubles as our backup camera with guidance. Just below the Infotainment Center are our hard buttons for those radio and media options. This button here opens up the infotainment screen to reveal a hidden storage compartment with a USB plug-in. CD player, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning. We also have the rear climate control buttons just below that. Heated and ventilated front leather seats, some USB and power plug-ins, dual cup holders. On top of the center console is the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. To the right of the steering wheel is the engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake while pushing the button to start the Yukon. At the front of the Denali, we have that unique Denali grille, fog lights, 22-inch Denali wheels. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, roof rails up top, rear tinted windows, running boards down below, keyless entry on the door handles. So as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors, remote start, and the power lift gate. I'm going to use our key fob, push that button twice to pop the lift gate open. In the trunk, we have a cargo mat, cargo hooks, the buttons to fold the second and third row seats down, a power plug-in, and a storage compartment down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 7-passenger SUV. The passenger door has power windows, a cup holder, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of the center console has some power plug-ins, the rear climate control buttons, heated rear seats, and a storage compartment. All-weather floor mats on the floor, dual rear bucket seats. And to gain access to the third row, take the center aisle or pull the tether on the back of the seat. In the third row, we have 3 additional seats with cup holders and a power plug-in. So come take a look at the 2019 GMC Yukon Denali, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.